Alright, today guys we're going to try a fun optical illusion drawing. We're going to be drawing the Impossible Trident. So this is something, you just saw it on the screen, this is something that is really cool because it kind of tricks your brain. You keep looking at it and you keep going, what is this? This is something known as an impossible shape. And if you follow my instructions, you will be able to make one too. The first thing we want to do is we want to draw 3 ovals. And these 3 ovals are going to look like this. There's going to be one there. There's going to be one there. And there's going to be one there. Now, you don't want these to be all straight across this way. You want them to be at an angle. Next step. Start with this one. And we're going to draw as straight a line as we can down to about there. So about as wide as you can make your fingers here. That's how long we want to make it. Now, let's do the same thing on the other side. And just be careful to make all these things as straight as possible. And then we'll complete the bottom like that. We'll square it off. Now, before we do the next part, I want you to take a look at something. See how my 3 lines here, you can almost imagine a line, and I might even just draw it. You can imagine like a line cutting across here, going right through the middles, like that. Now, you guys are going to make a line at that same angle, but you're going to make it down here. So I'm going to see that angle, and I'm going to try and make that same angle right down there. Now, if you want to, you can draw that in and just erase it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line straight down from here like I did here, but only on this side. So a line that goes straight down like that and connects to that bottom piece. And we're going to make a second line. Now, this is very important. Do not draw this line all the way and connect it to the bottom. If you do, this is not going to turn out right. What you're going to do, so it's not going to look like this. What it's going to look like is this. You're going to draw a line that goes most of the way down, say to right about there. And then you're going to stop. Don't connect that. If you accidentally did, just erase that. And you're going to make a short line that looks just like that line, same angle. You're going to make a short line that goes like that. Now, next step, you're going to make a straight line starting here and going down, and it's going to go all the way down and connect down there. You're going to do the same thing, but just like last time, don't connect this line all the way to there. You're going to draw it down, but when you get near the bottom, don't connect it, right? Leave a space there, just like we left here. Now, we're almost done, but check this out. We're going to make a line that goes like that, and we're going to make a line that goes like that. So this line that we just drew should be the same as that angle, and this line is going to be a different angle. Now, if you want to, at this point, you can get rid of that line at the top. Now, what is it about this shape that makes it an impossible shape? Well, if you look at that side, it looks right. We have 1, 2, 3 prongs. This is sometimes called the impossible fork or the impossible trident. And if you look at this side, it could be correct. We only have 2 prongs. But it's the fact that these prongs don't go all the way through. They don't connect properly. That makes you go, what the heck is going on? Now, at this point, you guys can do some shading, which will make this look a little bit better. In fact, I think I'm going to say you do need to do the shading. So what you're going to do is take your pencil, rather than you normally hold it here, I want you to hold it a little bit further back, and I want you to do this. I want you to start shading, and as you go, I want you to get lighter and lighter the further up that you go. And you can do multiple passes on this, but start pretty dark down here, and then as you go, you're gonna get lighter and lighter until you get maybe halfway, at which point you should be pretty much done. You're also going to shade this part in here, pretty much all the same, fairly dark, like that. And you're going to do the same thing that you did here, up here. You're going to start dark, and you're going to get lighter, and lighter, and lighter, until you get to about here, and then you want to stop. One final thing to do is take your finger, you'll probably need a wet wipe or you have to wash it afterwards, but take your finger and just go like this and blend it. And that'll just make your shadows very smooth as you go. Awesome. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I have this thing called a smudge stick or a drawing stump, and I'm just going to blend it even more. I don't think you guys have these, so you could take your a paper towel and wrap it over the end of your finger. Otherwise, I mean, your finger will just be a little dirty. You just clean it off. But I think this is super cool, and this is an impossible shape. I have a lot of students who really think these are cool, and I hope that you guys do as well. If you want to, you can go over at this point in Sharpie. I just did it because Sharpie is easy to see, but you should definitely be doing this in pencil. Shoot, I should have said that at the beginning. Oh well. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you didn't get it right, that's okay. Mr. Henson will start the video over, and you guys can give it another try. Anyway, oh, and do save, if you have some versions that didn't turn out quite right, do save them, put your name on them, and turn them in. I would like to see that you at least attempted it, even if yours didn't turn out perfect. Please do not get mad and throw those away. Awesome, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you guys real soon.